Now we're entering Meydenbauer Bay Park now. We will get a view of the lake here. You see the lake here. It's beautiful at the Lake Washington. Yeah.
Dari pinggir sini. Jadi pohonnya nggak ada. Nih, dari sini ke sini. Lebih ke sini.
This is the Meydenbauer Park view. You can view of the Lake Washington. Is it Lake Washington? Yeah. Yeah. This and the view from the lower side is the Meydenbauer Park. And this is the start of the Lake Washington. It's a beautiful day today. Look. So there are many people. It's on a Saturday. Many boats. Look. Yeah. It's a very nice day now. It's warm. Around 28. Now this is a closer look. Very nice day. Look. This is a safe place for kayaking and so on. Years ago they say it was a private land and the community has bought this land and developed into a recreation. Take just a further look. Now we're taking shots from this side, from the other side. Look at the condo houses. It's beautiful there. Nice. And behind these condos, this is actually Bellevue city, the center. And this is the, what you call it, what is it called, the board, eh? Yeah. Pedal board. It's not easy because okay, you have to wait yourself. And here are the yokes. Now this is the beautiful PILOTI artwork. Look, it's in the Bellevue Square Park. Look, yeah, the high rise. This is the center of the Bellevue city. This looks beautiful artwork, modern art. Look, very nice. It's a nice design to keep us from the warm summer heat. Piloti. It's wonderful. It's made just 3 years ago. Yeah, there's another side of this Piloti architecture. Wow, it's a sculpture. It's very nice. Yeah, the western, at the other side. It's the western.